a lot of us are doing just enough to get by, at least sometimes. And I don't want to say that you should do more than that. I don't want to should on anyone, except maybe my kids sometimes and my wife and some people who don't behave the way I think they should, and probably myself a lot. Okay, so there's a lot of people I want to should on, but that's not what I'm trying to do to you. But if there is a part of you that says, I would like to do a little more because I'd like to experience a little more, then let's look at where the resistance might be that gets in the way. So, taking full responsibility for your own well-being, even though I might be holding myself back, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I might be holding myself back, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I might be holding myself back, it might be possible that there's more that I could do, more that I could achieve, more that I could experience. And even though I might be holding myself back, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might contribute to this, because I choose to be that free. I might be holding myself back. All this stuff that stops me, this stuff that stops me from doing more. I might be doing just enough to get by. Maybe like a lot of people around me. And I convince myself that's enough. And I'm not necessarily wrong. I don't want to shame myself for not doing more. But I choose to be open to the possibility that there might be things I'm missing out on. Great experiences that are possible for me. If I gave myself permission to do a little more. And it may not even feel like more effort. As I clear resistance, more might be possible without it feeling like more effort. I'm processing all the stuff around this, all the ways I might hold myself back, the ways I might limit what I'm giving, the ways I'm limiting what I'm getting. Why would I do that? Am I afraid of giving too much? Am I afraid of receiving too much? Maybe part of me says, I know what I could do that would be more, but then I'd get more of something else. including possibly money. And part of me might say that's not okay. Doing just enough to get by feels safer, feels more reasonable, and depending upon the people I've been around, it feels more acceptable. All these beliefs that I shouldn't do more. I should only just get by. Even if part of me desires more, I'm afraid I'm not allowed to have more. And so I'm afraid I'm not allowed to have more. And I'm not allowed to do more. And I'm processing all of these fears, clearing them at a cellular level and all the way back through my past. Back through all those times in my life where I somehow got the message it was better to just get by. It was painful or unsafe to do more. It was painful or unsafe to get more. And there's all kinds of misunderstandings around that. And I'm clearing them up. It's not that I should do more. It's not that I have to do more. But the fact that I'm here tapping on this right now might suggest that part of me wants to do more and wants to receive more. There's more for me to experience. And I'm setting myself free to do that in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Let it go. And recognize that as you allow yourself to do more than just enough, you're creating more good in the world. Please and thank you. And when there's other stuff that gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.